A section of the Spanish Town bypass will be closed this weekend to allow for emergency infrastructure repairs. According to the National Works Agency, the closure will take effect from 6 p.m. on Saturday, September 13, until 11 p.m. on Sunday, September 14, and will impact the roadway between the roundabout at Jose Marti Technical High School and Michael Manley Drive. NWA Manager of Communication and Customer Services, Stephen Shaw, explains that the repairs are necessary following the failure of a culvert, which has affected the integrity of the roadway. Motorists traveling towards Old Harbour Road and surrounding areas via the Spanish Town bypass will be redirected along alternative routes during the closure. The alternative routes are as follows. Take a slight right off the bypass to continue along the main road toward Greendale Twickenham Park. Then left onto Michael Manley Drive by the JUTC Depot Road. And right to rejoin the Spanish Town bypass. Motorists traveling in the opposite direction toward Kingston will follow the reverse of this route. The NWA is urging all road users to exercise caution, follow posted signs, and adhere to instructions from flag personnel while traversing the area during the repair period.